Whoa! Hey folks, this is Jason Good with the Good Life Outdoors. Gonna go out and do a little evening fishing. My dad and his best friend are in town. They've been fishing today, and I'm gonna go meet up with them and see what we can get into. So let's get started, stick around, and we'll see what we can catch. And off we go. Let's go catch some fish. Hey buddy. That's not gonna do well, good for fishing, but cool to see out in the wild. Where he went. Some bait up here. Let's see if we can get after him. Get away from these little biting flies. I'm real happy. Little baby redfish. Check this guy out. I know. Switched over to a little mullet looking thing. That's in my finger. Let's stop messing around. Alright, thank you. Alright. Cool. Thanks, little guy. Let's try to catch another one of those. Oh my goodness, they are coming out of the water now. Whoa! That was fun. Always amazes me how they can get that line wrapped around them. Man, that thing hit hard and it was big. Try that again. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, it's a big trout. Oh yeah, nice. Come on, buddy. Pop you over into the boat here. All right, that's a good-sized trout. Nice. Come here, you. Okay. Chill out. I know. Here, let's keep you in the boat. Alright. There we go. Now we can get you sorted. Man, you hit that hard, didn't you? Alrighty, let's get you measured. I already know you're a keeper. You got some size to you. Kind of. You are a 17 and a half. Let's see that. 17 and a half inch trout, almost 17 and 3/4. I will not complain about that at all. Let's get you on the stringer and see what else we can catch. But man, that's a good start right there.
Another 17 inch. Another red?
Yep. Cool. All right, early in the morning, we're gonna go out and hit Estes Flats today. Haven't been out here since we moved, and it's one of my favorite places to fish. So I'm gonna meet my dad and his buddy out there and see what we can do. Last night caught a good keeper trout. Another fisherman gave me another trout, so we have those fillets in the fridge. Gonna be doing a catch and cook with that. See what we can catch today, so stick around. First customer of the day. All right. Let's see what we got here. Red, I think. Ooh. Come here, buddy. You're too small. We're gonna have to let you go anyway. Come here. There. Let's get you up in the boat. Cool. Nice little red. About you. Hey, buddy. That's a good thing to see first thing in the morning. Oh, you got your nose pierced. That's no fun. No. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. He's drumming. Just drumming away. There we go. Let's get you on your way. There you go. Go on, fishy. Tell your big brother about me. Yep. Saw something bust in the water, and sure enough, there he was. Let's try that again. See if there's more of them. Ah, a little trout. Knew they'd be here among the mullet. Hey, little guy. Come here. You're all right. Get this hook out of you. Probably make you a little bit more comfortable. Oh. And there you go, sliming up my boat. Come here, buddy. Let's get you out. All right. Bloop. And there we go. Let's try that again. Yeah, I just love being out here first thing in the morning. That's pretty much my go-to. I just go after a gold spoon, and fish seem to like it. I've caught all sorts of stuff on just a gold spoon. Seems to work pretty well. Oh, no. Oh, there we go. Oh, a little mangrove snapper. Hey, little guy. Oh. No, I don't think you're gonna get down in there.
Got him here. Come here, buddy. I'll put you back. There we go. Little mangrove snapper. There he is. And there he goes. See? Get pretty much anything on Gold Spoon. Try that again. There's something hidden over here. What we got here? Ladyfish? Alright. Thank you for the self-release. And another one. Oh, and there we go. Try that again. They're in here. They're fun to catch. Might as well try.
We gotta do it right. You gotta stick it way out here so it looks bigger.
There we go. Awesome. Yeah, good day out on the water.
Exactly. Always a pleasure.
Well, that was a good morning out on the water. Had some luck. I caught redfish, trout, mangrove snapper, all a little too small, but they were still fun to catch. Caught 3 skipjack that were nice enough to self-release before I got them to the boat. But yeah, it was a good day on the water. The old guys, my dad and his friend, caught some keepers, red and 3 trouts, so they had a good time, so that's good. So now I'm going to take the trout that I caught last night and do a little catch and cook. So how about some trout fish tacos? Let's give that a try. All right, we're back here at the house. We're going to be making some fish tacos with that trout. Ought to be pretty good. Very simple recipe, so follow along and see how it's done. All right, here are our trout fillets, all nice and pretty. So I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of Cajun seasoning. Now I like this one. The name makes me laugh, and it's actually really good stuff. So I'm gonna kind of sprinkle that kind of liberally on there. And I have found that fish fillets have 2 sides, so I like to season both of them. All right, for garnishes, we're gonna keep this kind of simple. We're gonna do a little avocado, a little bit of white onion, a little bit of lime. Now, I'm gonna save the topping for you here in just a little bit, but I'm pretty impressed with it. You will be too. So let's cut this up and get it ready for the tacos when they're ready. Oops, I also forgot. I'm going to add a little cilantro, so chop that up too. And here's the secret weapon. I was so excited to find this. It is delicious. Whataburger jalapeno ranch dressing. This stuff is amazing. I'm putting it on everything, and today it's going on fish tacos. All right, as you can see, I've got this pan smoking hot. Put some butter on this. Get that going. Obviously this is going to be a quick cook. Get that butter all nice and working there. And we'll drop our fish in. There's our nice pretty fillets. Cook out nice and quickly. Alright, this fish is about done. I'm going to go ahead and get a couple of big hunks off of here. Put them on the tortilla. There we go. We're going to dress this up. Put a little onion on here. A little cilantro. Some avocado. Take our jalapeno ranch, drizzle that on there some. Of course, get it all over my thumb. No biggie, I'll get that off too. And then finish it off with a little bit of lime. And it really is that easy. Well, here you go, a fresh caught meal right here at my table. This is one of the reasons I moved down to the coast. I'm gonna give this a quick try and let you know how it is. That trout is nice and tender. All the garnishes kind of enhance the flavor of it. They don't hide it, and that's awesome. That's exactly what I was hoping to do. It's a real easy recipe. You should give it a try at home. Hope you like what you saw today. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you do subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification button so you know when I post new videos. Now, I appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all get out there and live the good life. Thanks a lot.